there, guys. This is my Papa's 2001 Ford Windstar, and we're gonna do a cold start on it. It's about 40 degrees right now, and it's been sitting for about a week and a half. Hopefully it'll run this time, because I tried to start it earlier and it would not start. So far everything's working out. Start right up. It's been set for about a week. And it just might start right up because it hasn't been running right, and the battery I guess went dead because we need to get that fixed. Everything's working just fine now. Alright, well, I'm gonna end this video like this. Please like and subscribe.